wouldn't yet with another video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on that bell next to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share if you want, and don't forget to comment down below any suggestions, what you thought of this video, and anything else.
Everything else.
And me and Mum are going to be heading to the city today. We're going to use these vouchers that I got
Groupon.
Yeah, from Groupon, which I got before Mother's Day. One expires June the 7th, and the other one expires June the 31st.
So she's trying to rush me, in other words.
No,
She's trying to rush me.
I didn't mind if it expired. But
Because it was a Mother's Day present, but she included herself in the present.
Because you're gonna go by yourself, eh? And I'm just gonna like watch on the side. Yeah, so I got these 10 vouchers at a is it Piccolo Me or something? Or Moicolo Me?
Moicolo,
must be nice.
Pity the person who tries to.
Yeah, it just has different types of teas and coffees that I really want to take my mum to. It'd be nice to try something different instead of the normal latte and stuff like that. And then I got another voucher for chocolate or something.
Oh, chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate. It's an expensive chocolate place. So the voucher was I got one for 2 people, and it includes like 4 different types of chocolates, or 4 different types of chocolates, cakes, and a hot chocolate or a tea or something of your choice.
I hate chocolate.
Yeah, you can probably have tea or something. We're gonna have no teeth after this. And then we'll probably do a Korean mukbang for y'all. My mom's so beautiful, guys. See, you guys say she's like 30 years old and I get offended because I'm just like, so what am I? Am I like older than her?
Are you trying to say, I'm 30, she's 19, so I had her at 11.
Wow.
Look at it.
Okay, we just checked out like a $2 shop store. Oh, there. It's not too bad. Checking out little places. I love that store over there. Love it a lot. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. We just made it to Flinders Street. A lot of Queenslanders.
You're tired. Imagine me.
Look at those.
Don't talk to me, they're from Queensland.
Yeah. We don't talk to Queenslanders, guys. All about that. Crips. Is it from here? There's a Korean place over here, around here, that I want to take my mum to. So guys, we made it to Chocolate. Pretty fancy. I feel like burgers in here. That's our order number. Oh yeah, so I got a Belgian iced chocolate. I don't know. I was just looking at it. And my mom got a latte. Excited. And my mom just saw one of her good cousins outside. No longer. I didn't think you would see anyone.
Oh man, as soon as I saw him, I nearly cried.
Yeah, I thought he was tearing up too, but I didn't know it was his eyes just cried. Because I saw him and I was like, he looks like one of my uncles back in Ninja. They used to teach me a bit of piano. And I was just like, oh.
Just the memories I've had with him. The memories I've had with this guy, man, just awesome. From school to uni. It's good memories.
Your size what?
Size 12.
So I'm meant to be a size 12, but I'm guessing I'm a size like 1 then?
Because the last time I was a size 10 was when I was a baby. The last time I was a size 10 was when I was a baby.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. I thought it was 4 each, but yeah, so what do you think, Mom? So this is matcha green something. That's tiramisu. This is something that has
Passion fruit, coconut,
and
hazelnut, and something.
It looks like an ice cream.
Looks so good. Look at the picture, and right next to my iPhone.
Yummy. This is really nice.
It almost. I can't believe I'm eating this stuff. It tastes real good when it's free.
No, it tastes real good when it's from Grip-On. Guys, recommend it. Amazing. I guess we'll be seeing you guys when we digest a little bit to get hold of our senses because there's a lot of chocolate and stuff, and maybe a Korean chicken. I'm sure this is it. Wait. Oh, it's here. Yeah, heart attack. Y'all, I thought the place was busted down or something. We found it. It's the most colourful place on the street. Oh. So we made it to Gami, guys. Yeah, okay. Hey. We're just vlogging at the moment. Me and Mama got me chicken. I'm so excited. Today's been a productive day, I guess. I'm sad to go home after this though.
Guys, I have your 2 burgers. I'll place one here, another one right here. Thank you.
So we got our burgers, guys. Coleslaw, bread patties. Yo, some mulo patties. This is really nice, guys. Just waiting on one more, guys.
Your boneless chicken original and soy garlic. Oh,
Gosh, that's huge. You're not going to finish it.
coleslaw as well.
Can we take some home? We don't
Yeah, of course, of course.
Thank you. Try this, this is nice. Got our gummy chicken, guys. 2 people. I knew it was gonna be too much, but it's good to try.